In this video, I'm going to show you how you can freeze a frame on your videos in Filmora. By freezing a frame, you'll make a certain part or portion of your videos for a certain period of time, and then it will proceed to play as normal on your timeline. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So freezing your frame is quite simple. All you need to do is to go ahead and identify the part you want to freeze. For my case, I want to freeze at that part. So go ahead and put your playhead at the point of start for the frame to be freezed. Once you're done, go ahead and right click on the timeline like that, and then choose the option called speed. Now under speed, go ahead and choose the second option here called add freeze frame. So if I click on it, you can see a freeze frame has been added. Now if I play my video, you will see at that point the frame will be freezed, and now it is still until the freeze ends, and then it will continue. So if you want to reduce or increase the length or the duration of your freeze, when you zoom here, you can see the freeze duration is here. So to reduce it, you can just go ahead and move it back to reduce it, or forward to increase it. Now if you play, you'll see it will be much shorter if you have reduced it, or it will be much longer if you have increased it. So that's how you can freeze a frame on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.